Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel Intelligible Tutorials. In the today's session now we are going to describe the characteristics of the fuzzy sets. What are the various characteristics of the fuzzy sets? How they are going to represent it in the today's class now we are going to see. Let us see the characteristics of the fuzzy sets and fuzzy logic. Here everything is membership or degree of the membership we can represent. That means whatever element is there in a set that is directly belongs to the set or not, this we can represent in the crisp set by using two values, either true or false, either yes or no, or either 0 or 1. But coming to the fuzzy set, this can be represented with the help of the membership function. So the degree of the membership, how the degree of the membership can be represented, all these things now we are going to see. Let us take the X is the university of the discourse and A bar represented as the fuzzy set, and mu A of X is represented as the membership function, and this mu A of X can be represented as X such that X belongs to 0 comma 1. This is the range. So we can represent a membership function of A is nothing but X such that X belongs to 0 comma 1 range. That may be either X, the value of the X is 0 comma 1 or 0 comma 2 or 0 comma 3, so 0.9 comma 1. Like that we can represent the characteristics of the fuzzy set. And one more thing now here we are going to see is what is the meaning of the fuzzy logic, how the differentiation between crisp set and fuzzy set can be done, what is a fudgification actually. So whatever logic is there, the crisp logic that can be easily converted into the fuzzy logic, this feature is called the fudgification. And we can implement this fuzzy logic with the help of the programs also, and this can be used in our natural language processing and speech recognition process also. So those are also various important characteristics. One more important characteristic, as already we have seen, what is the meaning of the fuzzy membership function that is represented as mu A of X. The next characteristic that can be represented as fudgification. Whatever logic is there, the Boolean logic or crisp logic that can be easily converted into the fuzzy logic, this feature is called as the fudgification. And the next one is nothing but defudgification. The reverse process of the fudgification is called as the defudgification. That is, the fuzzy logic can be represented in the form of the crisp logic, that is called as the defudgification. And programmatical implementation. Fuzzy logic can be implemented programmatically also with the help of the sophisticated programming languages. And the next one, it can be used in natural language process also, and it can be used in speech recognition. Like that, these are the various characteristics relevant to the fuzzy logic. These are the main characteristics. The first important characteristic is nothing but membership function that can be represented with the help of the mu A of X. The next characteristic is fudgification, defudgification, and programmatical implementation and its applications like natural language processing and as well as speech recognition. So these are the characteristics of the fuzzy logic. In the coming session, we talk about the operations that are going to implement it in the fuzzy logic. Please watch all our videos. Thank you.